Hi, I'm Mindy, and I am quite an experienced trainer and facilitator. I first began training groups when I was in my 20s, and I've continued to do so throughout my career. Facilitating and training, I feel, is an art form, and I love art. I don't know about you. I'm always looking to challenge myself while challenging participants and delegates. There's something about leadership that always pushes the boundaries. And that's the only area that I work in these days. So my flagship book, The Thoughtful Leader, is the basis for the content that I bring to organizations these days and encourage people in those organizations to learn the skills and to upskill themselves. So if you're looking to motivate, inspire, engage, push, develop, encourage your people, let's have a chat. I've probably forgotten some words, but those are all the things that I enjoy doing in a very experiential way in any classroom or offsite or retreat that I run. Who knows? I don't do any selling, but let's have a chat.